Oi pessoal, hoje eu vou mostrar alguns combos com a fruta Blizzard, e testar eles em PVP. Esse foi o primeiro combo. Agora vou ir PVP com ele.
I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go. I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away.
Esse combo é bem fácil e prático de se executar. Esse é o segundo combo.
I fell where my demons dwell. My own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back up, climbing and
Esse combo é o one shot. Esse é o terceiro combo.
so I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost myself. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stands still, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking, you're faking, girl. You never made a sound. Oh, wait, I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired, yes, and tired.
Esse combo é meio difícil de executar, eu demorei para conseguir. Vou deixar os combos nos comentários. Então foi isso pessoal, espero que tenham gostado do vídeo, até mais.